In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Google Workspace apps for your domain. Whether you're managing a business or simply handling administrative tasks for an organization, the ability to customize which Google Workspace apps are available within your domain can be vital for maintaining efficiency and security. Let's explore the steps involved so you can make these changes with confidence. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Workspace. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Workspace. Once the page loads, you're going to be looking for the admin console. This is your central hub for managing all the administrative aspects of Google Workspace, and it will guide you to the specific settings you need to modify. Upon reaching the admin console, you'll need to log in using your business email. Make sure you enter your credentials carefully to avoid any login issues. Click Next or Sign In, and you should be taken directly to the main dashboard. This dashboard gives you access to a variety of administrative tools and options. Look towards the top right section of the page and you'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on it. Here you'll find various services and tools included with Google Workspace. Among these icons you should see the admin icon, which is what you'll select next. This step may seem straightforward, but it's crucial to find the right settings panel. Once you're in the admin section, scroll down or navigate until you find the apps section. Click into apps and you'll see options that pertain to the various applications associated with Google Workspace. These include core apps like Gmail, Calendar and others, but we're focusing on something more expansive. Your next destination is additional Google services. This section encompasses a variety of apps that Google offers beyond the core apps. Once here, you need to identify the specific app you wish to enable or disable for your domain. You'll be presented with a list of apps and corresponding checkboxes next to each. To disable an app, locate its checkbox and check the box of the app that you intend to disable. This is where you must proceed with a bit of caution to ensure you're selecting the correct app for your needs. With your app selected, look towards the top right to find the option to turn it off. Clicking on this option will prompt a confirmation step. This is designed to help prevent any accidental changes, which can be disruptive. Once you've reviewed and confirmed your decision, go ahead and click Turn Off to finalize disabling the app. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully customized the availability of Google Workspace apps for your domain. This process gives you the flexibility to streamline which services are active, preventing unnecessary clutter or potential security risks from unused apps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now feel more empowered to tailor your Google Workspace experience.